Hey guys, I usually record inside videos, and that's just kind of what I do. I use sounds and stuff, but I kind of want to do something a little bit different and do some outdoor stuff. I might do more videos than I usually do, because all I really do is shorts. I don't do many videos. I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful this snow is. Look how awesome this stuff is. And then, also, we have look at the sun beaming down. It's actually not melting the snow. Look how awesome that is. And then, yeah, I think I'm gonna, hold on. Let's hope not much gets on my camera. I just dug a little hole. You're gonna go in this little hole. And before you ask, my phone is fine. It's just kind of wet. I can clean that. So, and I hope you guys are the type of people that like snow too. Because, those people, I don't know. I just like snow. And I think it's a really cool thing. And I might do more nature videos and stuff like that. So, tell me if you'd like to see more of that. I'll see you guys in the next one.